I have to tell you guys about the scam that almost happened with me, so stay tuned. Guess who I am waiting for? Karuna. Every time I think about that I should start talking, I like say that Karuna is late. She just pops out of nowhere. So today Karuna she's late. Okay, so Karuna and I are going to this cafe that we really liked the last time we went there. So we wanted to spend a little bit more time. So, oh, 1 second, what is that? Okay. And we wanted to spend a little bit more time. So we're going to this place called Bangalore in HSR. And we're gonna like do our work there, have like good food, spend time with each other. It's a very chill day, and yeah, let's pretty much see. Let's see what's gonna happen. I'm excited, I'm happy. Hello guys, so we just parked, okay? And there's a bunch of kids coming to us to ask money. So I don't know why instantly I'm like, they're like, I think,
And then she randomly starts speaking in Korean.
I was like, Anya, hase, yo, ege boy, Arif. They're like, you know what, I don't even want to ask her money, main ja raha hu yahan se. So we booked a pod. Basically, it's this tiny place and it's soundproof and stuff, so we can spill all the tea. The lighting is nice.
Yeah.
Yes. I got an iced matcha.
And I got an Irish latte.
Yeah, so let's see how it is, because after 1 hour we're gonna go out. We're gonna have food.
Yes.
Because this place is a little too tiny for food. So yeah.
We're gonna get some work done.
Yeah. We're gonna get some work
Because I
done.
have an entire to-do list to complete.
I have nothing to do, but I'm here. Sure. Yeah. Chalo. I like the Hawa is just hitting my head. I feel nice. I feel what's that word that I was using last time?
Bonita.
I'm feeling bonita. Okay guys, so we are doing our walk right now. But that's my matcha, which tastes disgusting. That's her
Irish latte.
Which, do you like it?
I do like it, it's good.
Yeah, mine's just trash. Okay, so I had to give you guys the tea. The scam that almost happened with me. It kind of has full context about. But yeah. So online there was a store called Cameras Thrifted by Kimmy, or like Thrifted Cameras by Kimmy. And I was like, okay, let's just see, because all these thrifted cameras means I can look for like a digicam. I really wanted a digicam. And this really good Samsung one was there for like 1700. I was like, okay, let me just, buy it. So what I did is I bought it, cash on delivery. And then I was thinking that's a little too cheap, So I put in my story that, let's see if I get scammed or not. And one of my friends texts me and she's like, bro, I've heard like, where's this from? And I tell her like, this is from this place. And she's like, oh my god, I have heard like a lot of people saying that this place is like scam. And I was like, what the hell? So I go and I search, and like on Reddit and stuff, people are talking about how like this place is a complete scam. They take this, like they either take your money or like cash on delivery do, but then the second you open it, there's like fake earphones in them. And I was like, holy shit, okay, that's pretty bad. So what I do is I let it come, because I was trying to cancel, it wasn't working out. I called the delivery services, they were like, they don't cancel it, it has to be cancelled by the seller. And I was like, holy shit, what do I do? So I just let it come, and then as soon as they came to my doorstep, I refused delivery and I just went back home. So yeah, that was my story of how I almost got scammed. So cash on delivery for the win. And if you guys like see
Oh yeah,
what?
I screamed too much.
That was so loud.
Oh my god, I'm so sorry. I was literally on call with my boyfriend when she texted me at like 1 in the night. She was like, bro, I got scammed. And then I'm like, shit. I was freaking out because I thought she had already paid for the camera. But then she said that she did COD. And I was like, okay, one smart move. Even my boyfriend said he was proud of you.
Yeah bro, any like skeezy website, I do cash on delivery, and if they actually turn out good, then I start paying online, otherwise I never pay online. So yeah, that's the tip that I have to give you guys. Buy things on cash on delivery if you don't know if the app is like, fake or not. And also like just search on Instagram or like search about it on like Google or like Reddit, and you get to know if the place is like fake or not. So a lot of people like to write. So yeah, let's see. Yeah, that's pretty much it for my scam story. And now we're gonna go and just like chill a little bit more. And eventually we're gonna go out and eat some food because I'm very hungry. Yeah.
Yes.
She's sitting in such nice aesthetic light. I have to tell you the story. That's why I put the video on, okay? So, one day I was writing, in class. Like I usually write in class on my iPad.
Okay.
So I was writing in class and I got super bored in the class. So I was going to be like, let's start playing YouTube videos. Okay, and I've done that once in a while. I do that or like I play games or something. It was on full volume. And the song just goes like super shy in the middle of class. And the thing is, I'm such a good student, the teacher did not think it is me. But then like people looked at me and then she's like, and I was like, sorry ma'am, I was just changing tabs. And then like it happened and she's like, okay beta, it's fine. And I was like, thank God.
It's fine.
I was so
So
embarrassed.
much.
Like the whole class was just looking at me. I've been so traumatized that every time that I use my iPad and I try to watch like a video or something, I keep my volume to 0. I check it like a million times. But yeah, kids, do not watch videos during class. Like listen to your class. I completely forgot to vlog, but we got Thai curry. She got the red Thai curry.
And she got the green.
Yeah. It's yum, hopefully. Like she's had the green one, she says it's amazing.
Yeah, I've had the green one and you all equal. So I'm gonna try the red one now.
Yeah, let's go. So we just came back from Beanlore and now we're in Starbucks. And we have a live performance. I've never seen something like this happen in Starbucks. Like, this guy casually singing. I have never seen that happen. That's so cool.
Guys, Sibyl thoda pagal ho rahi hai. We were just like walking around HSR, and then we stopped at this jewelry uncle.
Yeah.
तो उसने पूछा कि ब्रेसलेट कितने का है. He was like, no 190. आगे भी पूछ लो, it's very expensive. तो हम आगे गए, किसी और को पूछा. He said 290. So we were like, okay, you know what? Actually, he was giving a good price. We asked at another place, and even he was like 290.
I started laughing so hard.
Sibyl laughed on the guy's. Sibyl laughed on the guy's face, and वो बंदा डर गया. Bro, he started laughing. Bro, he got so scared. That's how she was laughing.
Bro, the thing is, it's because he did not see it coming, okay? It wasn't even a laugh is bad.
He did not see that coming from anywhere.
उसके बाद we were coming, okay? And there's this chua mara hua. So I was like, oh, chua mara hua. And she's just like, ooh, kaha. And then this other auntie comes and she's like, and I start laughing again.
The fact is, that it didn't even look like that. How it looked was, ऐसे वो बोले कि oh my god मरा हुआ जुआ. ये what is wrong? So bad, bro.
But yeah, guys, I'm fun like that. Bye. It's acoustic.
Bro, she's scaring me.
Bro, I'm not drunk. I just need to pee really bad.
People say we're the same. I don't think so.
It's not like I am unsafe. People around me are not safe.